If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Juniper Toiletries Tote, a blue Calla pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see it is a decent size toiletries tote. It has double zipper compartments. Each of the compartments are quite roomy. This one I have lined with a waterproof canvas. It's the perfect toiletries tote. I can tell you this is my go-to for all of my gifts for the men in my family. It could also be made for women, of course. It could be made masculine, it can be made feminine, it can be made however you like. It is just such a great gift and bag to order, perfect for travel. It can be made in vinyls like this one is here. It can be made in cottons. It can be made in canvases. Whatever your heart desires, it can be made in. So if you would like one of these and you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All of my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.